Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I don't know. So today I'm gonna cook for you. I'm gonna do another cooking video. I didn't do again a long time. Usually I call my cooking videos So yeah, today I decided it's the best time to share my favorite soup. I will say one of my favorite soups that I'm cooking most of the time, and it is no other but beetroot soup or slash borscht, which is I think originally Russian soup from Russia, but a lot of people in Europe eat it and make it, and it's a traditional soup. So in my country, in Latvia, where I'm from, it is also very much traditional. My grandma used to make it, my mom. This soup basically is just a beetroot soup. It's a very healthy, so it's the perfect time to eat a healthy soup. It's a good long period lunch. For example, for 3 days, you can keep this soup in the fridge and just boil every day a cup or how much you eat. And yeah, it's just very healthy. At this time, I think we all wanna be healthy, eat healthy, and healthy. If you like beetroots, if you like soups, if it may be cold in your place where you at now, but actually I am eating this soup and other hot soups even in summer, so for me soups is not only a winter lunch. So yeah, if you want, you can try it, and I hope you're gonna like it. So yeah, let's start the cooking. As you can see, this is all you're gonna need. It's very easy, very simple recipe. So all you're gonna need is some parsley. You can use also dill. It's just for flavor. If you don't like any herbs, you can not put them at the end. I like parsley, dill sometimes, or even coriander if you like. I'm gonna need potato. I'm gonna use one big ass potato. You can use 2 potatoes that are medium size. You need 2 carrots, some onion. This is just a leftover from yesterday we were cooking. I'm gonna use 1 garlic clove, or if you don't want, you can leave out of it. I just like it to make it even more healthier. Then of course some beetroots, and these are already pre-cooked beetroots. I used to boil the beetroots myself, but since I'm a mom, I really don't have time for that, so I just try to save my time and I buy these cooked beetroots. From the spices, I use paprika powder, bay leaves, laurel leaves, both the same I think. Then we're gonna need some tomato paste, but I did not boil it, I actually forgot, so I'm gonna use just some kids ketchup, which actually tastes same like the tomato paste. I think it doesn't have that disgusting ketchup taste, like vinegar taste. It just tastes like pure tomatoes, so that's why I like it. I actually buy this for myself. Yes, I'm like a kid, but yeah, I'm gonna need that one, 1-2 spoons. Of course, vegetable stock. You can use chicken stock, whatever you like. I like to use vegetable stocks in my soups. And then we're gonna need some pepper, white pepper powder, you can use black, whatever you have, pink salt, you can use whatever salt you have. So basically this is all you need. And at the end also you can add some lemon. Also I forgot, yes, we will need some lemon, and of course also sour cream if you like to put sour cream in your soups. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna chop an onion. I'm gonna use a bowl for all the trash. I used to use tissues and I figured out, oh my god, I've been wasting freaking trees for so long. Why I don't use just a bowl? So yeah, I'm just gonna clean the onion, chop the onion, and straight away I'm gonna put it chopped in the kettle. Kettle? Is that how you call it in English? Sorry, my English is not my first language, so I might forget a few. Put that straight away in the... Okay. I'm gonna cry. Sorry, I need to search what is the name of this, otherwise I'm gonna be really looking stupid on this video. And how you call it in Latvian? Oh my god, what's wrong with me? Casserole? Or a pan? Whatever. You know, you understand what I mean with it. Oh my god, I cannot take this. I'm just gonna pop a little bit of olive oil. You can use butter. Sometimes I use butter. And yes. Put like this much of fire. And we're gonna start to saute onion. So while the onion is cooking, I'm gonna clean the garlic clove just to prepare it because it's next that jumps into the kettle. And I'm gonna put it straight away in this. Again, I don't know the name of this, but it's something you crush the garlic. I'm gonna prepare the carrots and potatoes. We're just gonna clean the carrots. Peel. We're gonna peel the carrots. Like this. The potato. I'm gonna put these in the sink and wash. So the onion is really cooking nicely. We just want that golden brown finish on the onion, and then we can pop in the garlic. So now I'm going to chop the carrots. I just love fried onion smell. It really smells like home. I don't know about you guys, but for me it really smells like home. Just love that smell. Now I'm gonna squeeze in the garlic. This is very hard to do with one hand. Hello. I put the garlic second, like last, because garlic cooks very fast, and if we over fry it, it just loses that nice scent and taste. So I'm just gonna cook it for just a few seconds, and then we're gonna pop in the spices and water. Just gonna put some water. Now I'm gonna cut the potatoes. Now while we wait for the soup to start to boil, so we can add the spices and the carrots and potatoes, I'm gonna do the beetroot. And what I usually do, I grate the beetroot. You can either grate it or just chop cubes. Just gonna cut open the beetroot, like one by one. Be very careful because this can go to your clothes, so make sure you don't wear a white t-shirt. I'm gonna put this aside, clean up the mess. I like to always keep my station, my cooking station clean. I don't like to cook in a mess, so whenever I have a chance to clean up whatever is left to clean, I clean. So the soup has started to boil, so I'm gonna start to add all the spices and then the veggies. I'm gonna put 2 bay leaves, 2, and that's a third. Little bit of pepper, 1 vegetable stock, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, and 2 teaspoons of tomato puree or just tomato sauce. Now everything is boiling like really nicely, so I'm gonna add the veggies, which is the carrots and potatoes. basically when the carrots and potatoes are almost done, we're gonna put the beetroot, because the beetroot is already cooked, so we don't need to really cook it. While the vegetables are cooking, softening up, I'm just gonna chop some parsley. Herbs are very healthy for you, so the more you use them for you, the more your body will thank you, because herbs are the life, same like water. I'm just gonna separate the parsley from that very hard, how you call it, sticks. I really need to learn English. Another scent I love is parsley scent. That one also is like, reminds me home, reminds me home cooked meal. It's just another thing that I remember from childhood. Always we had parsley in our soups, and I guess that's why the scent is so nostalgic to me. And I actually used to didn't like parsley, but since I moved to Dubai, so many things that I used to hate, like didn't hate but like didn't like, I love now, and parsley is one of them. Just brings back the memories, the scents, the nostalgic feelings, and plus it's super healthy for you. So good for your heart and brain and blah blah blah. Just gonna store the parsley in a small bowl, so every time I eat the soup I can just take a little bit and pop in. I love it. Just gonna cut some lemon already and prepare it for the soup. Just like to put like one piece of a lemon and just leave this for later. I'm gonna take now the beetroot and put inside the soup. The soup has been boiling already like 5-10 minutes, so it's time to put the beetroot. And again, be very careful. Don't spill the water to yourself. And we will let this cook until the potatoes and carrots are really nice and soft, basically cooked. I will just add some salt also now. Vegetable stock is definitely not gonna be enough. That's again personal preference, as much as you want the salt. I just checked the veggies and they're super nice and soft, so it's done. Time to serve. I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice. Parsley, I like a lot. Put inside the lemon. I'm gonna add some sour cream, because for me, a soup is always with sour cream. That's how I grow up, that's how I like it, and it does cool down a little bit the soup. It just gives a little bit of creamy extra taste. And there you go. The soup is ready to enjoy, and it's super hot, so I'm not gonna touch it right now. So yeah guys, that was it for today's recipe, for today's soup. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you're gonna try it, and if you do, please let me know in the comment section if you did like it, if it turned out well. Maybe you add some things inside that you can suggest me to try, or maybe you didn't put something and it tastes better. I don't know, just let me know. Would love to hear from you. And yeah, let's stay safe, let's stay healthy, and let's stay together. Let's have peace in this world for once. Yes, I don't know why I wanted to say that. I just, you know, hallelujah, hallelujah. Let's dig in. It's amazing. Yay, me! The way I like to eat the soup is with bread, so you can take some bread, put some butter, and dig into the soup. So yeah guys, enjoy it. Hope you liked this video, and yeah, I'll see you next Sunday on my next video. Bye! Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna make this amazing, healthy beetroot soup that's gonna burn your freaking fingers. Ouch! Okay, mama's going cuckoo.
To the skin and the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons